out here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, July 30th, 2025. The storms have been rolling through lately, and finally seems like they might be letting up. Just rained a lot. There's some wild wind in the last few days, but now there's some mist from the rain. It's still raining, sprinkling, but it's gonna be a nice sunset. Zoom in on it here. You can see. Pretty cool. What I get to see almost every night. Sure, if I turn around, little baby kitty's gonna be coming here. I see her. Let's see here. Don't mind all the vehicles. Alright. Oh, there she is. I see her. Hey, baby kitty. Come here. Hey. Come here. Don't stop in the fire. Come here. Hey. What's up? Come here. Oh, there's chocolate. I got a twofer. Here we go. They're both coming out of the rain. Come here. Come here, Choc. Hey. There's a little baby kitty. She made it here first. I can hear Chocolate from a mile away. He talks really loud. He's a really distinct meow. Hi. And you too. What's up, Chocolate? Yeah, you're my cat. You're my cat. Hey, should we get down? Come here. See those pretty eyes? You know you're on camera too, don't you? Yeah. Oh, you too. Following me. You guys are funny. I love these cats. I've had Chocolate for like 4 years. I got him when he was a kitten. Little baby. And then little baby kitty's the neighbor's runt who wandered over one day and never left. Like 2.5 years ago. Chocolate. Is she like your little sister? She actually came over right after my Chocolate sister, her name was Peanut Butter, died in an unfortunate accident, and then she ended up showing up shortly after and is very similar except for the coloring. Peanut Butter was calico, and obviously this is not a calico, but she's awesome. And then there's Chocolate. He wants attention. You want attention? Or are you just doing a strut? Walking by? Come here. Hey. Come here. Come here. Lay down. Hey. Oh, there you are. There you are. Come here. You want attention too, little baby kitty? Come here. Chocolate. Choc. Hey. Stop. Collaborate and listen. Hey. There's a fly on your back. Can't have that. Not on my cat. Oh. Back again. I got your back, Chocolate. No fly's gonna land on my watch. And there's little baby kitty just curiously. She's jealous. These are my cats. Hey. Hi, come here, Choc. Chocolate. Come here. You tired? Come here. Hey. Gotta get those runny eyes figured out, buddy. Been going on too long. A month now. Anyone knows why cat's eyes might run? Had a lot of vet bills lately. Between her and her eye and my dog. Chocolate. Hey. Can you pose? Choc. Hey. There you go. Hey. Can you lay down? Oh, there's a yawn. Lay down. Hey.